Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create smooth color tone matching in Photoshop. First of all, open your image in Photoshop. Click image and adjustment, also select color balance. Adjust shadows slightly toward blue, adjust mid tones toward warm tones, adjust highlights very lightly, then press OK. Now click image and select adjustment and also select hue and saturation, reduce saturation slightly, then press OK. Now duplicate the image layer using Ctrl plus J. Change blend mode to soft light, lower opacity to 40%. This enhanced contrast naturally. Zoom out and compare before and after. Reduce